So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a step-by-step coming soon page for your business, or if you are launching an AI tool, you don't even need any coding skills, design skills, you can just use AI. First of all, you just need to head over to ChatGPT. Here you simply need to describe your product. For example, I described my business here. Then you need to write that I need to create a high-end coming soon landing page. Give me a detailed prompt. That's it. ChatGPT will give you a complete structured prompt for your landing page. You can say I just wrote I need to create a coming soon landing page for this, and I need it needs to be like high end and just give me detailed prompt. So here you can see it started to creating a prompt for us, and once it's done, it will also include like output and a main goal with the color theme and everything. Once it's done, you can just copy this prompt and you can just head over to Claude AI. I will put link in the description box below so you can check it out. Now once you own the cloud, you simply need to paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. You can switch between different models if you want, but honestly the default one works perfectly fine. Now as soon you send the prompt, you can see it started working on the code part and it started writing the entire landing page code for you. And one important thing, if you don't like the design, you can always give it a reference image and it will redesign the page based on that, which I will show you in just a second. So let's wait a bit until it generated the full website. It usually takes around 2 or 3 minutes. Alright, so now you can see our website is ready, and here it says your coming soon page is fully built. On the right side, you get a complete preview of your landing page with colors, layout, and the structure based on your prompt. Now let me just open this full screen. For that, I will download the code quickly, and here it is. You can see this is our first version of the landing page, but personally this is not the style that I want. I prefer something more minimal and clean because this is just a coming soon page, not a full website. So what I'm going to do is go to Google and search for some coming soon landing page and look for some inspiration. Now as you can see, there are a lot of design. I personally like this one, so what I will do is copy this image and go back to Claude and use it as a reference. Now here's something important. Don't tell it to copy the design. Instead of that, you can say like take this as a reference and create a new design inspired by this, because we don't want to replicate someone else's work. So I will paste this image and just write I need something like this. Take this as reference and design a landing page for my brand. And now I will send this. Now again you can see Claude will analyze the image and started generating a complete new version of my landing page. You can see it's already rewriting the code. So let's wait another 2 or 3 minutes. Before we continue, let's talk about today's sponsor, Flap AI. If you are into AI or building cool stuff, this is actually crazy. With Flap, you can fine tune any AI model from 1 billion to all over the 700 billion parameters. And the best part, you don't even need some expensive setup. It's literally just work on a 6 GB GPU as well. So yeah, you don't have to need any expensive infrastructure or complicated DevOps. You just need to upload your dataset, choose your GPU, and your model will be ready. What I personally like is that your data stays private. It's up to like 21 times faster and way cheaper than traditional cloud training. Now let's talk about the pricing real quick. They have pay as you go plan, so you only have to pay for what you use, no commitment. So if you're building AI apps, models, or even just experimenting, definitely check it out. Link is in the description along with their tutorial video. Alright, now you can see new page is ready. Let me download it again to show you. And now if you see this looks much better, more structured, more clean, and close to real product landing page. But one thing, sometime it might get too close to the reference that we showed. So I don't recommend you to using it exactly as it is. Instead, you should always like add your own branding, change colors, or maybe you can replace the images and adjust layout so you can make your product or the landing page more unique. But overall, you can see how powerful this is. Just by giving reference, you completely upgraded your design. So yeah, that's how you can create a coming soon landing page using AI with two simple methods, prompt, or you can just enter prompt and reference. If you want better result, I recommend you to using reference from the start. It saves a lot of time. So that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, if you have any questions, or if you want me to make video on 3D landing pages or more advanced designs, just let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.